social media phobia omon feriade. Any journalist phobia omumbu omo. Omonte amembu ase. A starte sorry so almost beka amembu sem. My question to the friend and anaba namwa, Madam Tuno girl, or no nimbi bia, Madam Dubai connection woman, Tihamame. Politics is not about putting on makeup, wearing fancy clothes, and speaking unnecessary slangs on TV. Let me tell you that. Let me take that again. Somebody tell Nana Banamwa, say, politics is not about putting on makeup, putting on a lipstick or say lip gloss or say wearing expensive clothes and sitting on TV and radio. Oh, boy, when it say oh slang, that is not politics. Because some of you people, you are the main reason why. Mutier, you are the main reason why politicians are getting away with all the evil stuff they do. Somebody like Nana Banamwa, when it comes to talking about politics, she was there talking about, oh, the way someone make us say, hey, Mahama, let me tell you something. Your family, your boy, Nana Banamwa, if you don't know what politics is, politics is continuous. Okay, it is a continuity. It is a DB Jow. Nasa went to me and Shesuye. Nasa dear no ko baby a enya. It is only right we point it to you. Say, Nana Banam way. Sa move we are we move. These days, me back from Ghana, and I imagine say, cause some of you no make jam, but Mama men who say, Nyansan kasa your friend in Nyansano, Maton bibia dia yeska. Politics is not about putting on the fancy clothes and sitting on TV and talking just what you don't understand. It goes deeper than that. Nana Banamwa. It's not about checking on people who are, I mean, how do you call it? People who are trying to be journalists, and then it is far more than that. Politics is not a joke. If politics was a joker, and Kamahama would have succeeded being a president. And yes, the constitution born hina, the ayami a she woman, sister Cynthia. Almost sorry, omubu bena kakraka, yana no mubu bena kakraka chreyen. But the ayade bene yene die, and pese nipam, they would only interpret the beno if it only favors them. Somebody should tell Nana Banamwa that before Nana Akufo-Addo came onto the presidency, there was a manhole, anaya dege ediaguo. And for you to be on the level playing field, you need to fill all the vacuum now. You are supposed to fill all of it to the level where it's supposed to be. And sana, ube to me build it, I build it. And I want Nana Banamwa to IMF conditionality. Now, if she has any ounce of shame in her, she should come on her platform. She should go on GH1 and tell people what policy credibility of a country means. Since you guys don't want us to say, Mahama is the cause, we want you, Nana Banamwa, Madam I know it all, Madam Brofosem, come and tell the whole Ghanaians, say, Ansa na President Akufo-Addo Ubano, na Ghana your economy neshe. Charlie, these days, yeah, my mama may say populist bullshit way no obi wo. Ya beba be pam ho ntoma wo. Ya be ro mo ho, ya be strip mo naked man crofo etie mu an say mo ye shallow. Especially Ghana journalists. Over 85% of you and some phony sikatan time and I'm open in Ghana. Because someone say 2 years beba. Ghana there abayne sesa. Enti now all of a sudden obi akoke bia ma NDC now. My question to Nana Banamwa say, before Nana Akufo-Addo came into government, where was Ghana's economy? Where was the constitution of Ghana? Where was the legal and all the frameworks that makes up Ghana? Where was it? Was it there already? And Akufo-Addo by Nasadi in Naba. Let's try to be honest and deal with things as they're supposed to deal with things. And stop showing our ignorance and our stupidity to the very people that give us the audience to listen to us. Nana Banamwe, again, me so say, politics is not about putting on makeup, having the biggest human weave on, and then just sitting down and talking trash about things you don't understand. Please. As for me, I don't do nkwasia politics. No, I don't do that. Nkwasia politics nene day. Nkwasia politics nene say Unim no kre. Na ube kata weni. Just to favor what you are looking for to lie. Especially when you are a journalist, it's even more stupid. Because you, the journalist, you are the one that is supposed to be the middleman. When somebody is lying, when a politician is lying, it is the duty of the person we call the journalist to be the mediator to let us know the truth. It is only in Ghana that journalists actually themselves cook propaganda and put it out just so they can sell stories. It is only Ghana and a journalist because kuku story any training nine. Now when you Jimmy Fuaji say that is how it is going. Just like I said, politics is not about arranging girls to go and meet sheikhs and imams in Dubai. No. Politics is not about putting girls together to go and endanger their life in Dubai. Nanaba Namwa, it goes beyond that. It goes beyond sleeping with rich men. Nanaba Namwa, since that is where you want to go. Sometimes we try to be a bit dokro. But some of you, we have to remember and say who you are. Because some of you, and then I weave, say some of you, not some about and then they are one ton stone tea, Jimmy Phobia cope butunity, and what to you know, or they are better, no can't quasi they are one tears here, they are winning, and no ye. But Nanaba should be very, very ashamed of herself. Because if she is an honest journalist, and she claims, say, she wants a better Ghana, she should have been bold enough to tell Ghanaians, say, where the economy was 2016 is worse than where we are now. Where the economy was, whereby in 2016, you bought a petrol for 92 cents a liter. Today, you are buying petrol for $1, and you are there crying. Go and look at the years, 6 years near, from 92 to 8, to, 92 to 100, 8 differential. So for 6 years, this is what Akufo-Addo has done when it comes to our gas. Compare that to 2012 when Mahama took over to 2016. Check the differences. Then if you are an honest journalist, you will come on your platform and speak truth to your people. Sadly, the Ghana mind is unenthused about knowing the truth. Sadly, the Ghana mind is not worried about knowing say the aye Kenya no kre. So far as aye benya ediabe Jimmy de din kwasi asem de, we are all for it. And that is why I'm saying this. Say somebody tell Nana Ba Namwa say politics is not about wearing fancy clothes, putting on fancy makeups, fancy weave-ons, sitting there boying on to speak brofo, to make it look like you are slanging. No, that is not politics. It goes beyond that. It goes beyond that. Politics goes beyond putting girls together, endangering girls, going for people to shit in the mouth of girls for money. Don't try that. So what start to say ube Jimmy? Yes, you know ube Jimmy the pepe. Konya ye jina on the sebe. Ya tutu ye anyway na ira dada. Ye hu baby ye jina kra. Ya papa no kra ntumi so yemu. Ye ti yesrew. So wo pesa wo ba game we mu be Jimmy a ye no ube Jimmy pepe. But so person we are under journalism so we have all the support of some of us to make sure say it is going to happen for you. Before you open your mouth to talk trash about Akufo-Addo and his government, remember who gave you media freedom. Some of you wouldn't even be on air. Should we have that criminal libel law and all those things there? Some of you kamu nya chance nipu. Rolling time and kamu journalists who amunam we be brave nya juma nye.